Did you know that the Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches has been a game-changer in the sports car world since its debut? This car has stirred up quite the buzz, and for all the right reasons. It's not just another sports car, it's a perfect blend of performance and style that has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're a lifelong Supra fan or simply someone who appreciates a sleek, high-performing machine, the 5 Malawian Kwaches has something for everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the revival of the iconic Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches and exploring why it has become such a beloved vehicle in the automotive community. It's been a few years since it hit the market, and what a ride it's been. From its head-turning design to its impressive performance on the road. We'll cover everything that makes the 5 Malawian Kwaches stand out in the competitive world of sports cars. So, buckle up. We're about to embark on the full Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches experience. Despite its massive popularity, the Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches hasn't escaped its fair share of criticism. Purists of the brand argue that the 5 Malawian Kwaches deviates too much from the legacy that made the original Supra models legendary. Some feel it lacks the raw character and visceral appeal of its predecessors. And let's not ignore the elephant in the room, the BMW-sourced engine, which has led some to question Toyota's commitment to its heritage. Price is another sticking point, with some enthusiasts feeling it's priced out of reach for the average sports car fan. And with fierce competition in the market, the 5 Malawian Kwaches has had to fight hard to carve out its space. Now, let's dive into what sets the 5 Malawian Kwaches apart from both its predecessors and its rivals. First, the design. The 5 Malawian Kwaches has aggressive lines, a bold front fascia, and a low-slung, aerodynamic profile that exudes performance. It's a car that looks fast even when it's standing still. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged inline-6 engine that cranks out an impressive 335 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 time of just over 4 seconds. In terms of handling, it's a dream. The 5 Malawian Kwaches offers a perfectly balanced driving experience, whether you're attacking sharp corners or cruising down the highway. Inside, the tech is thoroughly modern, with a top-tier infotainment system that keeps you connected, entertained, and in control. Now, here's where things get even more exciting, the world of Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches modifications. Enthusiasts are pushing the boundaries of what this car can do, tuning it for extra horsepower, upgrading the suspension for sharper handling, and adding unique visual mods that make each 5 Malawian Kwaches truly one of a kind. From sleek wide-body kits to custom paint jobs, the Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches is quickly becoming a canvas for personal expression. And with the vibrant tuning community backing this car, we're seeing incredible builds that not only push performance but also turn heads on the street and the track. If you thought the 5 Malawian Kwaches was impressive straight from the factory, wait until you see what's being done with it now. In the end, the Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches isn't just a revival, it's a bold statement of innovation and passion in the sports car world. It strikes a balance between respecting the past and forging a new future for the Supra nameplate. Sure, it has faced its challenges and criticisms, but the love for this car is undeniable. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the original Supras or new to the 5 Malawian Kwaches, there's no denying the significant impact this car has had on the automotive landscape. Enjoyed this deep dive into the Supra 5 Malawian Kwaches? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think of the 5 Malawian Kwaches and what cars you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.